Hey guys! In today's video, we're going to explore some incredibly useful Excel functions that help us manage and manipulate text data efficiently. When working with large amounts of text in a worksheet, these functions can save us a lot of time and effort. To demonstrate them, we'll use a long German word from the left side of our sheet. Let's dive in. We'll start with the left function, which allows us to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning of a text string. To use it, type =left, select the cell containing the text, and enter the number of characters you want to extract. For example, if we type 6 as the second argument, Excel will return the first 6 characters of the word, which in this case is DOPPEL. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move on to the right function, which works in a similar way but extracts characters from the end of the text. The process is the same. Type =right. Select the text cell and enter the number of characters you want to extract. If we enter 5, Excel will return the last 5 characters of the word, which is IEDBE. This function is very handy when dealing with structured text, such as extracting the last few digits of an ID number or a part of a product code. Next, we have the mid function. This function is similar to left, but with one key difference. It lets us extract characters from anywhere in the text string, not just from the beginning. To use it, type =mid. Select the text cell and enter the starting position as the second argument. Remember, the first letter of the word corresponds to position 1. For example, if we start from the 5th character and want to extract 8 characters, Excel will return exactly 8 characters starting from the 5th letter of the word. This is useful when dealing with strings that follow a pattern, such as separating a middle section from a long alphanumeric code. Now, let's talk about text case conversions. Sometimes, we may need to change text into all uppercase, all lowercase, or proper case. Excel has 3 functions that help us with this: upper, lower, and proper. The upper function converts all letters in a text string to uppercase. To use it, type =upper. Select the text cell and hit enter. Excel instantly transforms everything to capital letters. The lower function does the exact opposite, converting all letters to lowercase. Just type =lower. Select the text cell and Excel will apply the changes. Lastly, we have the proper function, which capitalizes the first letter of each word while keeping the rest in lowercase. Type =proper. Select the cell, and Excel will neatly format your text with proper capitalization. These functions are especially helpful when cleaning up text data, such as formatting names in a database. Now, let's talk about combining text from different cells. There are 2 functions that helps us to do this. The first one is and the second one is concatenate. These functions serve the same purpose, so we'll look at them together. If we type =B4 and C4, Excel will combine the text from both cells into one. Want to add another value from D4? Just extend the formula like this: =B4 and C4 and D4. But what if we want spaces between the words? That's easy. Just type quotation marks with a space inside like this: =B4 and inverted commas, C4, D4. See how intuitive that is? The concatenate function works in the same way, except instead of using the and symbol, you type =concatenate. Select the text cells and separate them with commas. For example, typing X concatenate and then select C4, B4, D4. This will give us the same result as the AND function. This is useful when merging names, addresses, or other text data into a single cell. So there you have it. Some of the most useful text functions in Excel that can make handling text data a breeze. Whether you need to extract, modify, or combine text, these functions will help you work more efficiently. Keep practicing, experiment with different datasets, and soon you'll be a pro at using them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.